It's Thursday morning and the bugs are still out. It don't seem quite as bad right now, but I've got Dottie up here. She's acting like she's wanting to smell one. So we're gonna see what we're gonna do. I got little Belle today, Daddy Rabbit Dog, and I got my 3 Black Creeks. And we're gonna see what's gonna happen. So we'll give them a few minutes. They might have jumped you. He's already crossed. Yep, he's already crossed. Still got him going. He's making a wide circle now, it looks like. Okay, he came back in there. He's coming back up. Howdy, boys. come over there. Dottie's leading. Dottie's leading that whole group there. All right, he'll come back across up here somewhere. We'll get on back. He's gonna come around up here now. That's what he's gonna do, I'm thinking. Get up here. Bring him on up. I might have just saw that rabbit up yonder. I believe I did up yonder cross. I believe I saw that rabbit cross up here. I don't know if he was going up the road or what. Let's see. Ooh, the gnats, they are coming out. Come on, Dottie, right there. Push him. He's already crossed right yonder. There you go, Dottie's got him up there. Dottie's got him up there. Now this rabbit probably make only a couple of circles in here. And then I'm afraid he's gonna head across that railroad track. Straighten him out, Dottie. I'm gonna stand right in this bush and play like I'm camouflaged so the rabbit can't see me. Yes. Get him, guys. Get him, guys. Get him, Dot. Dot's got him right there. Dot's got him right there. Ooh, y'all see the bugs, don't you, boys? Where'd he go, boys? That's where he went. Let me get back in here. That's the Black Creek train with a red caboose. DR, how you like that? Boys, I have no idea where the dogs are right now. I can't hear nothing but this stupid train. I'll be back with you in a minute. Cross the road down yonder. Let me get out here. Nope, I don't think they've crossed yet. I believe they're coming right up the edge of that road. Nope, I believe he crossed the road. He did, he crossed the road. All right, let me get on down there. And Black Creek's done pushed him out with the little red caboose. He's crossed that other road. He's done crossed. Back in. He went back in. That's it, that's it. That rabbit's gonna come back out. That rabbit's gonna come across here. Okay, somebody get him. Okay, they're saying he crossed this road. I don't believe he did. I believe he went right back in that side there. That's where he went, right there. Dottie's got him. That's right where he went. He come right across this road. That's him. That's him. exactly what he did. Dottie's got it. Dottie's got it. Unless he went back in there. He might have come to this road and turned right back around in there. Dottie's saying no. Get to him, Amos. Dottie's got him. That's where he went. Get in there, Andy. Go help him. Go help him, Bale. Let's get to him. That's Amos and Dottie up there now. That's what he did. That sucker come out here and pulled a trick on him. There we go. There we go. Evidently, I must have been standing in the road, but he come out right here. Went right in through there. So look what he did. All right, we'll wait till he get back closer. Go boys, go boys. Down this morning, we had a great run. It's getting warm, bugs are getting crazy. There's little Belle right there. She's done good, all of them done good. Here's old Amos. He's a good old pup. All these are pup. That's a pup. That's a pup. Actually, Dots, I'd classify her as almost a pup. She's a little over a year old, and there's my little red caboose right there. That's my red caboose. Good little dog. She's a daddy rabbit special. All right, guys, let's go. Let's go load up. Come on, let's go, Dot.